I know I said I like to be alone, only 'cause it's all I've ever known.
You're beautiful. I love you.
I love you. Oh, you look so good.
You look amazing.
What's happening?
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Now I wanna tell you all my good news, give you a spot to leave your shoes, spend all my rainy afternoons getting high on you. I don't know, maybe this means love. All I know is I like you so much. Yeah, you walk in and I swear it's enough to get high on you.
Jenn, we've talked about how you have added so much value to my life. You've been my missing half. You've brought me places that I never thought I'd be. And this is just the start of what our life's gonna be together. In front of my family and your family, I want you to know that I am forever yours, and I love you.
And I'm hoping I don't come down. Yeah, I wanna tell you all my good news, give you a spot to leave your shoes, spend all my rainy afternoons getting high on you. I don't know, maybe this means love. All I know.
What we have together is something that I didn't think was attainable for myself. And you've given that to me. I never thought that we would be here when we first met 6 years ago. Handsome, mysterious, and overly dressed every day at work. But here we are. And I think what we have is undeniable. And I am forever grateful to be loved by you every day. I love you.
I always thought that love was not for me. Now I'm making you a key to my.
And Pili aloha mau. May your love be everlasting and may it never ever end. I now, by the authority committed to me by the state of Hawaii, honor to declare both of you husband and wife. Sir, you may now kiss your beautiful bride.